Hi superstars! Okay, so in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make 1 million to 2 million naira in the next 1 month in Africa. Okay, so I know some people are wondering, is it possible to make 1 million naira to 2 million naira? Yes, it is. 1 million naira is simply 50,000 naira into 20 places, while 100,000 naira into 10 places gives 1 million naira. You can even make more depending on a lot of factors. All right, my superstar. So I'll be sharing with you step by step how to make 1 million to 2 million naira, no matter your location in the world. It is possible, it is feasible, and I'll be breaking it down to you with figures. Yes, we'll be doing figures, lots of numbers. We're not just going to be all talk. I'll be showing you how with figures. All right, my superstar. So go grab a calculator and sit back because we are getting started. All right, but before we do, my superstars, please hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. All right, and hit the like button, give me a thumbs up so this video can reach out to so many people who need this knowledge as well. Thank you. Let's get started. All right, first, let's establish the fact that knowledge is power, knowledge is wealth, and lots of people are looking for knowledge in diverse areas of their life, diverse forms. They're looking for knowledge to improve on their skills, knowledge to improve on their finances, knowledge to improve on diverse areas of their life. They seek for this knowledge online in different platforms, including YouTube. So many people come to this platform to watch videos to gain knowledge. All right. And people also gain knowledge physically via physical trainings. All right. People gain knowledge via books, books via ebooks. All right, they gain knowledge through mentors. They get people who teach them how they did it and how to go about it in their field of interest. So people are seeking knowledge in different forms, and guess what, my superstars, you can make money by knowledge. You can make 1 million to 2 million naira via knowledge. The knowledge industry is very, very lucrative right now, and it creates a great opportunity for you to key in and make money, and now is the time. All right, my superstars, so I'll be sharing with you different knowledge, different skills, different ways you can make money. So first, you need to have knowledge of something. In order to share knowledge with someone, you need to be knowledgeable in something. Sit back, think, what is it that I know? What is it that I know? Okay, like myself, I know a lot about palm oil business in Nigeria. I am very versatile in different areas. I know how to make shoes. I know how to make avocado oil, how to make plantain chips. I know a lot and a lot of things. So this is knowledge which I can sell out right there to make money. So my superstars, what is it you know? Sit back, think about it. No matter how small you think it is not small. That thing you know has the ability to make you 1 million to 2 million naira in the next 1 month. School is about closing, okay, and kids will be starting their holiday program. Lots of parents are looking for ways to keep their children busy while imparting them with positive virtues that will help them, while imparting them with skills as well that will help them, be it online or offline. So, my superstars, what knowledge is it that you can package online or offline and make money? I've seen lots of people come up with flyers on how to learn baking, cooking in the next 1 month and make money. I've seen people come up with flyers on how to learn crocheting, which is trending right now, by the way, my superstars. Lots of people love crocheted clothes and it's trending. Recently, someone bought a crochet cloth for as high as I think 4 million naira, or was it 5 million naira? Oh, correct me if I'm wrong. So, crochet clothes are trending. And that little skill you think is nothing has the ability to make you 1 million to 2 million naira in the next 1 month. No matter how rusty your crocheting skill is, you can dust it up, package it, and make money in the next 1 month. And I'll be showing you figures and how to get started. Okay, so if you know how to be, then my superstars, you are rich. You are rich, my superstars, because lots of people are looking for knowledge on how to make beaded bags. Beaded bags is trending right now, and people are buying beaded bags as high as $100 right now in Nigeria. Yes, people are buying beaded bags at $100 in Nigeria. Some people are buying at $150 depending on how complicated the beaded bag is. So there is actually money in skills that you have. You probably may have learned how to bead as home econs in secondary school back there, and you threw it back, but guess what? You can dust up that skill and make it, monetize it. You can gather few children in the season, charge them and teach them how to bead, and then make good money from it. Okay, recently people are charging as high as 50,000 naira for online cooking class for children to keep them busy, while some people are charging as high as 100,000 naira to teach children physically on how to cook, bake, and different culinary skills. All right, and right now people are charging as high as 150,000 naira to teach children on tech classes, which include coding, game making, and lots of things, while they are charging about 100,000 naira to teach them online on coding, game making, and different tech skills. So what are you waiting for, my superstars? What skills is it you have? Okay, so imagine you're charging a child at 50,000 naira. Okay, 50,000 naira times 10 students, that is about 500,000 naira. And if you happen to have about 20 students, that is 1 million naira. Have we not attained that benchmark of making 1 million naira in the next 1 month? We have. And if you charge a student about 100,000 naira and you happen to have about 15 students in your class, okay, be it a physical training or online training, that is 1.5 million naira made in the next 1 month. Okay, so you see, when we say it with our mouth, it looks difficult, but when you take it down with numbers, you realize that it is feasible, it can happen, it is possible. So, my superstars, whatever skill it is you have, go dust it out, bring it on, and then see how you can monetize it in this season. Lots of people are sharing their knowledge on how to start hair importation business in Nigeria. If you have the link, if you know have the technical know-how, if you have the know how to go about it, package it and sell this knowledge to people, and then make your cool money. All right, my superstar, so will you be trying it? Meanwhile, what is it you know? Write it in the comment section. Or recently a parent asked for an online tutor. Yes, and I placed it right here. So people are looking for people to teach their children. Yes, and they are ready to pay. So whatever knowledge it is you have, do you know how to teach science subjects, biology, maths, chemistry? Now would be a good time, because during this holiday season, lots of parents want to improve on their children's knowledge for the next level. So you can come out here and tell people, let people know you can teach these subjects. And before you know it, you are in business, and then you make money. It doesn't have to be high, 30,000 naira. If you charge 10 students, that's 300,000 naira. 20 students, that's 600,000 naira. 30 students, that's 900,000 naira. And 40 students, that's about 1.2 million naira in 1 month. Okay, so if you want to make it lower to attract a larger number of people, you can do that and then make your millions in the shortest possible time. So will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Thank you for watching my superstars. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.